Alright, yung gabi, tanan, yung gabi, it is 4 a.m. in the morning, yung gabi, gyapon, alright? Sorry, subong ko lang din hingagaw niyang inyong modules, kasi syempre hindi kita ay kay, of course, canceled naman ang klase. Alright, let's go, module number 3, lecture sang funda. Module number 3, lecture sang funda. Guys, caring is what is central to nursing practice. Hay, ari naman to sir, liwat-liwat naman sa caring. Yes, guys, mabalik gid kita sa caring. Sang first sem, sir, ara naman ang caring sa amon nga ano ni nga TFN, no, dumudamo pa to gani tao. Yes, guys, mabalik naman kita. Alright, caring. So guys, tandaan nyo na A1, American Organization of Nurse Executives. Tandaan nyo lang, kuritin nyo lang da. And question now. Good, yeah, let's go. Theoretical views on caring. Caring is a what? A universal phenomenon that influences the way we think, feel, and behave. Since who? Since Florence Nightingale, nurses have studied caring. Ay, sir, nga natundaan na gali ang mag-alaga. Yes, nag-nurse pa ikaw. Tama? O, si Patricia Benners, lola mo ho, describe the essence of excellent nursing practice as what? As caring. Sorry, care to be, you know. After listening to staff nurses, stories, and analyzing their meaning. Guys, balaan nyo ni si Patricia Benner, siya ni ang may novice, na siya na, tama? Correct me if I'm wrong, pero balaan ko doon siya na mo. Alright, expert na si Patricia Benner. Liwat-liwat. Tichak to guys, oh. Liwat-liwat to novice to expert to. Ang nursing, liwat. Liwat. Alright, next, Madeline. Leininger, Leininger, Madeline. Transcultural caring, mga bata. Transcultural caring, guys. Trans or nag-transpire, transcend, mo na. Culture is different cultures, guys. So, for example, ikaw, nurse, may patient ka nga Muslim. Ba mo nagid lang Muslim, so paano ka mag-alaga? Of course, guys, kilalahon mo siya, storyahan mo siya, ay, alam, Muslim siya, gali. Hindi mo siya pakanon baboy, eh. Alright? No, mo na, oo, na. So, muna, i-adjust ang eating kung may Ramadan sila or ano na tawag ganyan. May mga tawag, oo, Ramadan. Culture, oh yeah, culture. Leininger, caring helps individual group improves human condition, helps to protect, develop, nurture, and sustain people. Alright, transcultural nursing. Jean Watson. Guys, tandaan si Jean Watson. Iyan ang transpersonal caring. At transpersonal, kay Sir gasulod sa Watsons ang mga trans. Charot. Hindi guys. Transpersonal, ara siya. Meaning, goes beyond physical task to focus on the mind, body, spirit connection. So meaning naga-transcend, alright? Bilog na siya nga pagkatao na hindi lang siya lawas, of course, but also mind, body, and spirit connection. Treating patients with deep compassion and authentic presence. Alright? Ari ang curative factor siya, ang karitas siya guys, pulo kabilog na balaanin naton sang first sem. Basahan nyo lang liwat. Alright? Next, si Kirsten Dunst. Si Kristen Swanson may theory of caring. Meron siya 5 process. Ara na, Swanson defines caring as a nurturing way of relating to an individual. So, nag-relate kagid sa individual. Relating to an individual. Nag-relate. Alright? Nag-connect. Nag-communicate. Alright? Number 1 is knowing. Kilalahon mo ang patient. Striving to understand the event as it has meaning in the life of the other. Avoiding assumptions. Hindi ka magmatomato, guys. No? Assuming ikaw. Alright? Centering on the one cared for, assessing thoroughly, seeking clues, engaging the self or both, knowing. Next is being with, being there. Being there, alright? Conveying ability, not burden, o sharing feelings. Gina-share mo ng feelings. Ay, ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am. Kahit syempre, for example, nagreklamo sa kang bata. Sige lang, ma'am. Ako may bata man ko. Pero hindi mag-overshare lang. Share mo ang feeling nga, relate mo ang self mo sa iya. Na connected ka mo. Alright? Next, doing for. Ano na siya? Comforting, anticipating, performing skillfully, protecting. Na. Next is enabling. Enabling, ano siya? Facilitating the other's passage through life transition. Example, pagbata or pagkamatay. And unfamiliar events. Inform mo, enable. Like, i-enable mo bla, nga self mo nga mag-support sa mga muna, na focusing, validating or giving feedback. Ma'am, I know kalain sa imong ginabatsyag subong, blah blah blah, muni enabling. Alright, enabler ikaw. Next, maintaining belief, of course, guys, pati ka lang sa patient. Or, naman na, sustaining faith in others' capacity to get through an event or transition face future with, meaning of going the distance, offering realistic optimism nga ma'am, okay ma'am, kasi syempre next week maayo ka naman maano mo nga antibiotic. Ang tuod guys ay hindi man nga paasa mo patient kapag next week patay siya, alright? Ang tuod, ang realistic, alright? Ma'am, kung hilanat ikaw tapos kung manibin ka, kung sibinan ka ma'am, manubuhi mo nga hilanat. Ang tuod gid guys, ang optimistic bala hindi nga na why ka na. Okay, next. Nursing as an art caring nga part 2 si Sister Simon Roach. Ano yun si Coach Freddy Roach, alright? Sister Simone or Simone Roach, alright? She states that caring is the human mode of being. Alright, so 1992. Entailed in caring as the human mode of being are what? The capacity of the power to care, the calling, alright? Kung calling mo gid, alright? Fourth of this capacity, responsibility of being called to someone, something who or which matters, blah, blah. Constructs of caring, guys. Mayari siya sa 5 categories ni may ginabilin siya nga questions para dumasapos siya intindihon. Si ontology is an inquiry into being of something and into its range of possibilities. So, anong question? What is the being of caring? And what is caring as such? Ontological, ginamamangkot mo, ano giblang caring? Anthropological, anong question niya, what does it mean to be a caring person? Ano gid man bala abot silingon sa pagiging caring nga person? Next is ontical. Alam mo na, ontical. Ano ontical questions niya, what is a nurse doing when he or she is caring? Ano ang ginaubraya kung naga-care siya? Kag ano ang obligations? What obligations are entailed in caring? So tandaan nyo guys, damo questions si sister. Diba? Din ka naman makadto. Si ano naman ako. Na si sister na guys ha. Si Sister Simone Roach. Damo siya question. Tandaan. Okay? Anong tawag sa questions niya? Constructs of caring. Anong mga questions niya ni? Ontological, anthropological, ontical, and hasta sa pedagogical. Alright? For kita na, balik kita. Sorry, nag-skip. Nagbalik kita. Epistemological, alright? Epistemology is concerned with ways of knowing. Anong questions siya? Can one know caring? Or how is caring known? Alright? Next is pedagogical. Ano na siya? The pedagogical category is concerned with teaching and learning. It's just recordings for this. How is caring learned and taught? Pedagogical. Pedagogy. Alright, 6 C's, guys. Nagyan na to no, sa pagkano ko. 6 C's, alright. First is compassion, of course. Dapat may passion or may compassion ikaw as a nurse na mag-care kay patient. Next is competence. Of course, evidence-based siya, guys. Competent nurse ka dapat. Balaan mo dapat ng ginobra mo. And of course, effective siya. Alright? Evidence-based practice. Hindi kita magmatomato lang. Alright? Ang gamito ng evidence-based scientific and humanistic knowledge and skill, gid. Alright? Tama sa ako dasi, guys. Sorry, gid. Conscience, of course, dapat may konsensya ka kung ano ka sang patient, mag-care. Confidence, of course, kaya nga guys, may ginamba ko per me, dapat may confidence ka kung mag-alaga ka patient. Kaya kung makita sang patient guys nga wala ka sang confidence, ambot lang kung maayo na siya agad-agad. Alright, hindi na siya ganit kung magpati, gurusi mo. One's ability to care for others. Trust in one's ability to care for others. Alright, next is commitment. Commitment. Guys, okay lang na kung wala ka mo. Ano ni? Data commitment. Commitment is maintaining and elevating the standards and obligations of nursing profession, ensuring delivery of excellence in nursing care. Dapat may commitment kita. Comportment, amo ni siya ang sa likod slakyan. Charot. Comportment is the professional presentation of us nurses as to others in behavior, attitude, appearance, dress, and language that communicate a caring presence. In short, guys, self-awareness. Balaan naton kay may galantaw sa aton. Alright? Dapat nurse gid kita magulag, mag-alaga, magstorya, ang magporma kita, nurse gid bala na, that's your comportment. Alright? Application, patient perspective, respecting ginabatan na values, beliefs, gina, kung Muslim, hindi pagpakanababoy. Guys, mga hapos lang muna, alright? Patience, present caring, connecting with patients, of course. Enabler, ikaw. Ethic of care, ethics. Caring in practice, providing presence, ay galiwat-liwat siya, being with, body language, listening. Sige, providing presence, guys, dapat ara ka to. Aray mo presensya, no? Eye contact ka, hindi nga mata mo tulok, maskin diin kung gusto ang pasyente, tone of voice, nga muna. Alright, touch, and of course, guys, hindi nga touch nga pero may i-touch ang patient. Touch nga, sorry, tama ka na. Right, touch nga, task-oriented touch, alright? Use when performing a task or procedure, of course, mailis ka to bisang iyang dressing, na caring touch, of course, ma'am, pwede ko kaptan mo likod, sige lang ma'am, okay lang na, protective touch, of course, is protective touch. Next is, this is not only taking in, listening, hindi lang man pagpasulod, taking in. What a patient says, it also includes interpreting and understanding what the patient is saying and giving back that understanding. Kaya nga guys, the more ka nagastorya or nagapamati sa patient, the more siya naghatag sa pagsalik. So it creates trust and opens lines of communication. Creates a mutual relationship, right? Knowing the patient, kilalawan mo siya, develops over time, magdugay, syempre kilalanin ka mo sa pasyente, lapit tayo naging alright? Spiritual caring. Spirituality offers a sense of intrapersonal, interpersonal, transpersonal, may naba transpersonal connectedness. Okay? Relieving symptoms and suffering, performing caring, nursing actions that give a patient comfort, dignity, respect, and peace.